Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm excited to share with you my DEK Designs monthly subscription kit, and it is for the month of September. So we always get the subscription kit delivered to us prior to the month it is set up for. So I'm excited to share this with you. I have put down in the description box a link to DEK Design as well as my ambassador PR code. And if you sign up for the subscription kits, any other subscription kits, please put my name in the notes section of your order. That way they'll know that I have been sharing this information with you. Thank you in advance. And thank you to all those who have been using my discount code to make their purchases. I appreciate it. It helps to support this channel. Okay, let's go. Wow, already off to a good start. So we got a clear envelope here to store the subscription kit, which I love. Okay, I love this color palette. Okay, by all these lovely tokens, September days are here with the summer best of weather and autumn's best of cheer. Helen Hunt Jackson. Stay safe, stay sane, well planned. XOXO, Don, Emily, and Kate. Okay, so that is that. Ooh, it's full of goodies, full of goodies. Okay, so we have a pen. That's exciting. It says, I believe life is always colorful. And these are really nice gel pens to have. They're usually black ink. And then we have 3 washi tapes. This is like my favorite. I love this one. It has like the greenery leaves and some burgundy wine florals. Then you have the plaid, which is pretty. And then you have like a standard bow washi tape from them. It's like a chocolate with the rose gold foil. Love the rose gold foil. So those are the 3 washi tapes. I will probably open them towards the end, or I might bring it back around and open them up and show you, but I think you can see those pretty good. Those are real pretty. Love those. Okay, and then we have sticky notes. These are pretty. So you have the scenery of like the dust with the planters and books and lamps and vase. And then the open balcony door looking out into the garden. Very pretty. Just breathe. And love. These are very pretty. Nice, good stack of those. Okay. And then I did see this. I was like, oh, I love this. So this looks like one of those magnetic clips. It's in like a muted green, gray green color. Very pretty for the fall. And so one way you could use this is you could clip this onto your planner and use it as a pin loop, or you could use it as a bookmark. But I think they're promoting it as a pin loop. Either way. So yeah, fits in there pretty snug without it being on a planner already. And these magnets are usually pretty powerful. So thank you. I love that. Okay. Then we have the sticker, or the printed paper pack. We usually get 4 sheets, I believe, double-sided, and they always coordinate with the kit itself. So this is pretty. You can use this in either direction, in my opinion. And then on the flip side, you have a plaid. I love fall holiday decor because I love like plaid. theme items, or that's what I call it from where I'm from. I'm not for sure where everybody else calls it. I know it's like several different names, but we call it plaid. So, but yeah, so I like that you can use this in either direction for whatever you make. And then here's the second one, just stripes on a green wash background. Very pretty. You can use that either way as well. I love it when you can use paper like in either direction for whatever project you want. Very nice. And then here's some vellum paper. Very pretty. And then you have your green colors again, like a diamond, sort of like a scale kind of looky feel to it. And then you have this pretty floral on the back. This is what's on that washi tape. Very pretty. Love this. Beautiful. And then you have like a brick kind of layering look. That would be fun. I'm thinking of so many things that I can use this for. You rarely see like brick like this in a kit, so fun. Ooh, that's pretty. That's what was on the washi, not washi tape, but the sticky note. Very pretty. Okay, so those are the 5 sheets of paper that we got. And then we have 4 different kits here. I'm gonna start off with this one, the die cut kit, then we'll go to like the bonus. I call it a journaling kit. And then we got a monthly kit and then the weekly kit. So let's start off with the die cut kit. And I use the die cuts in my currently setup. And I love the way it turned out. I might use them again, but these are all stickers. Hello, September. Very pretty. And then here's some different pictures in a frame. You have your planner, maybe a cake here, vase. Looks like the different items that were on the desk. Very pretty. Has that holographic overlay. And then you have the planners, journals with the holographic overlay. Oh, this looks like one of those seats that you put like at the end of your bed, but it stores things in it, but you can sit on it, read a book, relax. Love that. I don't know if that's still called an ottoman or not, but very pretty. And then it has like the throw blanket on top with a little bit of floral foil. Very nice. And then you have a dress here. Maybe that's a skirt, pants, or a top. Not for sure, but it's some clothes with the holographic overlay. And then this is pretty. You have the candle. Look, there's the match right there sitting on top of the lid. That's so me. And then you have a wall decorative piece. And then this is fun. You have a die cut calendar. Very cute for the month of September. And then you have a die cut habit tracker. Very nice. I love the gold foil on this. So those are the die cuts. And then we have the, I call it the journaling kit. Let's see. It's in here really good. There we go. Oh, okay. Flap this down a little bit lower. All right. So you have your September stickers. And then I just love these splashes of the different patterns picked up out of the kit. Sort of looks like it's torn paper. Very pretty. Perfect for like journaling and all that. Layering is what really is meant for. And then you have the different shape boxes. Again, great for layering. This is like some of my favorite stuff. It's like torn pages or torn photograph of the desk area, also the kitchen area. Get a little snippet. You got some torn paper patterns there with some dots. Very cute. And then this is a fun cartoonish kind of sticker sheet. It's the view of the desk with some fall items like pumpkin, acorn, candles, leaves, apples, coffee mug, and a fox. And it's cute because you could write in here a little something. So that is, to me, the journaling kit. That's what I call it. I'm not for sure what it's called. It might be called bonus kit. Okay, this is the monthly kit. I mean, she sets you up to do stuff. Usually I have ample leftover for whatever else I want to do with the kits. So you have your foil stickers for the month of September. Love that. 2022, you got some florals and leaves, bill due, payday, rent, mortgage, and bill due stickers. And then you have your decorative elements for like the top of your monthly sticker kit. And I use Happy Planner primarily, Happy Planner layout. So they fit pretty good. You have your date covers, your corner stickers, and then like a strip, sort of like a washi tape strip kind of thing. Okay, then you have some fun decorative elements here. You're currently listening to stickers, road trip, birthday party, farmer's market birthday, and then some of the decorative elements that were featured throughout the kit so far, like the cake, or no, that looks like a candle. I'm thinking that's a candle. The dress, the sweater, magnifying glass, camera, wicker basket, books, vase, pictures, all that stuff, and some more bill due. And then you have some monthly sticker decorative items that help to decorate your monthly spread with. This is like a sidebar sticker, so pretty. Love all of that. Very pretty. So that's the monthly kit. I think this kit is just so good. I mean, you definitely get your money's worth. And I love that she throws in additional items that are not necessarily stickers, but everything is planner related. I love that. Okay, so here's the weekly kit. Very pretty. Love the rose gold foil. Here's a double box of that, of the desk and the view of the balcony, looking out on the garden. Look at the cute little doggy sitting on the ottoman with the blanket. So cute. And then you got your books, candle, lamp with the wicker basket and sweater, dress, bookshelf with the ladder of throw blankets. I love that idea. And then the florals are very pretty. Here's another double box that's more focused into the desk. Watercolors, some more shells with the live wood edging. I've been watching a lot of videos on different like elements of decor for the house. So live wood edging, I've never knew that that's what that was called. Some books, candles, there's the wall decor, your sweater with your boots, some pictures and the camera, very pretty. And then you have your flags, half circles, work stickers, bows and stuff, very pretty. Some decorative boxes, habit trackers, some flags, shapes. And then here is your date dots if you want to use these for whatever reason for your weekly layouts. Here's the script stickers, standard script stickers. So pretty. Love the gold foil. You have your functional sheet with your to-do today's, exercise, this week meals. I love the confetti stickers or the granulate stickers. So pretty. Weekend banner, flag, checklist. Here's a checklist sheet. Very pretty with the clipboard, weekly sticker, and then some decorative elements. Days of the week. Love this color palette. Some shapes here. Then you have your sticker strips. Love the wood. That's pretty. Don't see that often. The green plaid. And then I love this about this kit. She gives you plenty of day covers to use. So if you wanted to do at least a good 4 weeks of the month, which I believe it is 4 weeks in this month coming up, very pretty. Love that. Then you have some more decorative boxes with the sticky note washi tape elements. Love the decorative elements. This is like one of my favorite things here. Oh, look at the doggy. So pretty. So all the elements we've mentioned so far. And then you have some doll stickers. Very pretty. And some more decorative elements. The hand holding some flowers. Very pretty. So that is the monthly kit. I love it. I cannot wait to use this. And I know I just showed like a DEK design haul, but I definitely wanted to go ahead and show you guys this so that one, I can use my kit for the upcoming month. And then also, if you decide to subscribe, you sort of know what's available. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I cannot wait to get started for my setup for the month of September. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your alarm bell so anytime I post new videos, you'll be notified. And thank you so much for supporting this channel in advance. I appreciate you, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.